Hello students, welcome back again to the virtual classes. So this is your second class of class 1. The name of the subject is computer. The topic is parts of a computer. So what are the basic parts of a computer? You know that the basic parts of a computer is, here is the monitor, CPU. So first one is, suppose this is a monitor, clear, and this one is the CPU, and here is the connected with the CPU, this is the mouse, and here is the keyboard. Suppose this is a keyboard. This is also connected to the CPU, and here is the particular board. Suppose this is the monitor. So what are the basic parts of a computer? Basic parts of a computer, first one is, this one is monitor, and this one is CPU. CPU refers to central processing unit. CPU refers to central processing unit. The CPU concatenate with the help of ALU plus CU plus registers. ALU refers to arithmetic, logic unit. CU refers to control unit, and registers can store the data. Clear? Registers can store the data. So what are the topic is parts of a computer? What are the basic parts of a computer? The basic parts of a computer is, first one is monitor. First one is monitor. Second one is CPU. CPU refers to central processing unit. CPU concatenate of three things, that is ALU, arithmetic logic unit, CU, control unit, and the last one is register. Registers can particularly store the data. And then next component or next part is mouse, and the next part is keyboard. Clear? This is the basically parts of a computer. So the first one is monitor. We know that it looks like the screen of a television. You know that, I think. Then the CPU box. CPU refers to central processing unit. It takes some inputs and process the particular input and provide us the result. So CPU can take the input and perform some operation with the help of ALU, CU and register. After performing the particular operation, then it will provide us some output. Clear? And the next one is keyboard. I think you must have seen a mobile phone. It has many keys. Each key has a different function. Similarly, the computer keyboard has different functions also. Basically, a keyboard is a rectangular in shape. It is a small buttons known as keys. It is used to type letters, numbers and special characters. Clear? In your book, page number 21, let's check, identify who am I by looking at the pictures. I think you know that this is the CPU, this is monitor and this is the keyboard. I look like a television. Who is look like a television? Look like a television is monitor. So the first one is monitor. Second one, I have more than 100 keys. Who have more than 100 keys? We know that a simple keyboard has 104 keys. So I have more than 100 keys. This one is keyboard. And the next one, I am a tall box and I am known as the brain of computer. This is the CPU. CPU is called brain of the computer. We know that. So next one is mouse. A mouse looks like a real mouse. I think you know that mouse, you know. It has two buttons and a scoring and a wheel basically. It helps us point at things on the monitor, play games, draw pictures. With the help of mouse, you can play the games, or you can open folder files or any other documents, or you can draw the pictures also. So other things used with a computer. Other things used with a computer is speaker, printer, etc. So I will discuss the next part of this chapter in my next clip. So the parts of a computer are, the first part is monitor. It is also called VDU. It is also called VDU. VDU means visual display unit. Visual display unit. And the next one is CPU. CPU refers to central processing unit. It consists three parts: ALU, arithmetic logic unit; CU, control unit; and the registers. Registers can store the data. What is ALU? ALU refers to arithmetic logic unit. All the arithmetical and logical operations are done by ALU. And what is CU? CU control the overall operation, and registers can store the particular data. So the main processing of the particular operation is done by CPU, central processing unit. And the next one is mouse, and the last one is keyboard. This is the main parts of a computer. Clear? So I will discuss the next part of this chapter in my next clips. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.